Hello and welcome.
Avaya Aura Messaging, your new voice messaging system. Welcome to Avaya Aura Messaging End User Training. During the basic telephone user interface training portion of this training session, you will learn how to access your new voicemail box, set up your new voicemail box via the voicemail setup tutorial, play messages and respond to messages, create and send messages from within your voicemail box, and administer your personal user preferences. Your voicemail box can be accessed from any phone anywhere. From your own office phone, press the voicemail access button on your phone. If you do not have a voicemail access button, dial the access number 71111. Enter your password and press pound. Please note, for first-time login, enter the default password provided by your system administrator. If you wish to access your voicemail box from another voicemail user's office phone, press the voicemail access button on that phone. If they do not have a voicemail access button, dial the messaging access number 71111. When prompted for a password, press star and then pound. Enter your 10-digit mailbox number, enter your password, and press pound. If you wish to access your voicemail box from outside the office, dial the messaging access number 360-407-1111. When the system answers, press pound. Enter your 10-digit mailbox number, enter your password, and press pound. Once again, for first-time login, enter the default password provided by your system administrator. The first time you log into your voicemail box as a new voicemail box user, you will be walked through a tutorial in setting up of your voicemail box for the first time. In this tutorial, you will perform the following tasks. You will change your temporary password, you will record your name prompt, and you will record your personal greeting. You will also have the option to listen to a voicemail navigation tutorial. Once you have accessed your voicemail box, you will have the following options available to you from a main menu. You can press 1 to play or review messages, 2 to send a message, or you can press 4 for your user preferences. Let's take a look at reviewing messages. From the main menu within your voicemail box, you can press 11 to review new voicemail messages. When reviewing messages, you have certain options that are available while a message plays, and certain options that are available to you at the end of a message. Please note, the options that are available to you while listening to a message are not verbalized, although they are there for you to use. And let's review the various options you have. Your while listening to message options are as follows. If you wish to rewind a message, pressing 1 will take you back 3 seconds. 1 right next to each other takes you back to the beginning of a message. It's 2 to pause and 2 to resume. 3 is your fast forward, so 3 will move you ahead 5 seconds, 3 takes you to the end of a message. You will then have access to your end of message options without having to listen all the way through. 4 reduces your playback speed. 6 speeds up your playback speed. 0 resets the playback speed to default. 5 will give you your envelope or your date and timestamp information. 7 reduces the playback volume. 9 increases the playback volume. And 8 resets the playback volume to default. The star key cancels what you've done, and the pound key will skip you to the next message. When you hang up out of that voicemail session, speed and volume will return to normal, as these are voicemail session specific. Your end of message options are as follows. At the end of a message, you can press 4 to replay the message. 5 will give you your envelope or your date and timestamp information. 5 will list all the recipients of the message in the event it was sent to multiple people. You can forward the message to anybody on your system by pressing 6. Then if you choose to forward without comment, press 1, or with comment, press 2. You can erase a message by pressing 7. You can reply to anyone on your same system by pressing 8. And you can press 9 to save the message. Please remember once again, 1 will take you back to the beginning of a message while it's playing. 3 will take you to the end of a message while the message is playing and give you access to your end of message options without having to listen all the way through. You can also create and send messages through the voicemail system, and this is done as follows. From the main menu, press 2 to record and send a message. You'll be prompted to record at the tone and press pound when you're done. You can then enter the desired mailbox number that you wish to send it to, speak recipient's name, or you can speak the name of a distribution list followed by the pound sign. You can also enter additional addresses if you choose to do so and press pound. If you choose to access a spell by name option, press pound. When you're finished addressing, press the pound sign. You can access delivery options by pressing 0 and then selecting from the following options. You can mark the message private by pressing 1. Private messages cannot be forwarded onto anyone else in the system. You can mark the message important by pressing 2, in which case it'll play for the recipient before their regular messages. And you can schedule future delivery by pressing 3. Although you set up your voicemail box in the initial tutorial, there might come a time where you wish to re-record your greetings and change your password. This is done by accessing the features under the personal configuration options from within your voicemail box. To access the personal configuration options, press 4 from the main menu. You can then press 3121 to record your personal greeting, or press 3 followed by 2 to record your extended absence greeting, or 3 followed by 3 to record your name prompt. Once you have recorded the greeting, you can press 1 to accept it, 2 to re-record it, or 3 to delete the greeting. If you wish to change your password, while in personal configurations, press the 2 key and follow the prompts. Here are some hot tips while navigating through your voicemail box. While at the main menu, press 5 to restart the session. Press star to exit or to cancel your last action. Press the pound sign to skip a greeting. You can press 0 for help or assistance. Let's now review a couple of advanced features within your voicemail box. The two we're going to take a look at are to record your extended absence greeting and to activate or deactivate your message notification feature. Your extended absence greeting. If you wish to change or set up your extended absence greeting, press 4 for personal configuration options from the main menu. Then press 3 followed by 2 to record your extended absence greeting. The extended absence greeting is typically used when you're going to be away from your office for extended time periods, for example on vacation. Callers will be required to listen to your entire extended absence greeting and cannot bypass it by pressing the pound sign. Callers will be offered choices to leave a message, dial another extension, or return to the main voicemail system greeting. Notify Me allows the voice messaging system to call you and let you know when you have a message in your voicemail box. Once you have set up the Notify Me rule through the web page, activation and deactivation of the Notify Me feature can be done via a telephone as follows. Once you have logged into your voicemail box, to activate the Notify Me feature, press 411. If you wish to deactivate the Notify Me feature, press 412. Please note, you will have to get the web address for the web page to set up the Notify Me feature from your system administrator. If you do require any additional assistance or help, please email the help desk at servicedesk@cts.wa.gov or call the help desk at 360-753-2454 or toll free at 1-888-241-7597, or a TTY call can be made to 1-800-833-6388. Thank you.